To make the tube, you will need a sheet of foam cardboard with a thickness of 5 mm, size 60 by 31 cm. Transparent plastic PET, 0.3 mm thick stationery knife, blade thickness 18 mm, metal ruler, compass, pencil, glue gun, transparent tape, metal square. Cut out to squares from a sheet of foam board. The size of the first square is 30 by 30 centimeters. The size of the second square is 30.5 x 30.5 centimeters. Attach the ruler to the squares diagonally and determine the center of the squares, as shown in the video. Take a compass and draw 2 circles in each square. In a 30 by 30 square, draw a circle with a diameter of 30 centimeters, radius 15 centimeters. In a square of 30.5 by 30.5 centimeters, draw a circle with a diameter of 30.5 centimeters. Take a knife and cut out the circles along the contour. When cutting out circles, try to hold the knife vertically. Inside a circle with a diameter of 30.5, draw a circle with a diameter of 29.2 centimeters. Carefully cut the top layer of foam board along the contour of the inner circle. Make a cross-section of the top layer of foam board, as shown in the video. Cut out 2 strips of foam board 4 to 5 centimeters wide. The length of the strip should be approximately 100 centimeters. Along the entire strip, we make incisions of the upper layer of foam board with an interval of 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Make incisions with a square. Break the foam board along the cut lines, as shown in the video. Attach the tightly curved strip to the base of the lid, as shown in the video. Measure and cut off the excess. Similarly with the second lid. Glue the sides with a heart gun before gluing. Look at this video how to do it correctly. You've got two lids. The lid with a visible seam is the lower part. The lid without seams is the upper part. Take a sheet of plastic PET. The height can be any. The width for our size will be 120 centimeters. Roll the PET into a tube and install it tightly inside the lid. Fix the sheet of plastic PET in this position with adhesive tape, as shown in the video. Put on the top cover. The tube is ready.